Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, first and foremost, I had a few people that said they was going to do it. I definitely appreciate y'all. And what I'm talking about is our 30-day challenge. And basically what it is 3 times a week, you get some exercise in. And at the end of the month, I'm going to reward the people that participate in it. That's just the first thing. And the second thing I want to can't even talk today, but the second thing I want to talk to you about is just going the extra mile. You know, there are so many people that want to just get by with the bare minimums. I'll just do a little bit and then you expect this large result. Well, things don't quite work like that. These are laws. What you sow, you're going to reap. So if you put in little, you're going to get in little too. And I tell people like this, there is nothing that's going to work unless you do. I don't care if you out here selling bananas. If you don't sell them, they're not going to sell. So go the extra mile and always think about this. There are millions of people selling everything under the sun, from shoes to clothes to food. Ask yourself, why should they buy from me? What's my unique selling point? And just write it down. And then focus on that. Hopefully you got some value from this video. And also too, I never asked, but if y'all want to contribute to the channel, you're welcome to. I'm going to put down my Cash App and Zelle. I got those two set up. But even if you feel free and you're getting valuable information from this content, hey, y'all help a brother out. Well, with that being said, y'all like, comment, and share the video, and please subscribe. Y'all know that'll help me out a lot. I appreciate all y'all. I love you. Ain't nothing you can do about it. This is Booker Williams. Peace.